Hey guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the Urban Decay Naked 3 mini palette. When I was a lot younger, I first getting makeup, all the naked palettes were out, but when I finally had enough money to get a naked palette, they had been discontinued, so which is why I'm really excited that they have the mini version of the Naked 3. So let's open this. It comes in this nice sparkly brown plastic packaging with the gold rating. Open it up and you have a mirror and 6 shades. The shades are Glassy, Public, Laced Up, Stolen, Right Time, and Spiced. Now let's swatch Glassy. It's hard to see, but it's like a very light pinky peach. Public is a little more visible. It's also peachy. A little bit of a glitter in there, shimmer. Oh, Glassy was a matte, by the way. Laced Up is more of a mauve color, or purple, dark pink. Hard to see as well, but looks good on the fingers. Stolen is this almost a rusty color, pinkish and storied. And then Right Time is this darker purpley shade. And last but not least, we have Spiced, which is a dark brown to complete the palette. Now I'm going to be showing you a look that can be made with this palette. I'm going to be taking this Moda Pro shade brush and I'm going to be getting laced up on my brush. I'm applying that just over the lid. All over my whole lid. It shows up fairly alright. A little patchy. And using the same brush, I'm going to get Right Time. Put it on my outer corner. Make sure to blend it in. going to blend it in, blend it towards the middle of my eye. And then I'm going to, on another brush, this one is, and on my Luxie 209 large shader brush, I'm going to be getting a little bit of Spiced and just gently tapping it along the very edge before we put that last color. And grabbing a thin liner brush, I'm going to be taking a little bit of Stolen and going right under my lash line. And finally, we're going to grab a nice fluffy brush, a light fluffy brush, and grab a little bit of Public and put it over the main lid for a nice shimmery center. Not a very lot came off for Public though. Not on the brush. Which is fine if you like a, well, which is fine if you want a nice light dusting. But that's it for the eyeshadow look. I'm going to add some liner, mascara, and do my brows, and I'll be right back. So I put in my eyeliner, mascara, and brows, and look, it looks really nice actually. For brows, I used the ColourPop Brow Boss in Auburn, the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara, and the Gerard Cosmetics Eternal Eyeliner. So, looks good overall. And I hope you guys enjoyed my review of the Naked 3 Mini Palette by Urban Decay. Bye guys, see you guys next time. Bye, see you guys next time.